Brainard Tower, Archer, Tree 121, holding short runway 2 at Alpha, ready for departure.
Archer 33121, Brainard Tower, no delay, runway 2, clear for takeoff.
No delay, clear for takeoff, runway 2, Archer 121. What's the sock telling me? Oh, right down there, okay. Alright, full power, let's do this. Looking for 60, brother.
Got a little left crosswind, but not much, it's nothing to worry about.
50. There's our 60. Okay, heading bug. Yeah, a little bit lefty. The sock is like... Alright, trimming 490.
You want me to ask him?
Yeah, I'll do it.
We're, coming underneath their airspace.
Brainard Tower, do you want me to switch over to Bradley now? Archer 121?
Archer 33121, contact departure 1239 or 5.
Over to departure for Archer 121. Bradley departure, Archer Tree 121, 1 mile north Brainard, 1,100 climbing 2,500 VFR transition, Bradley.
November 33121, Bradley departure, radar contact, altimeter 3027, you can fly the Bradley transition northbound.
3027 Bradley transition northbound, Archer Tree 121, thank you. We'll do 2,500.
That's what I usually did.
Want to do 3 large, but we'll take away 5 hundo. Oh, I had somebody complain that I was saying like hundo, 4 hundo on one of my videos. I tried to stop doing that.
Oh, for God's sake.
Don't say hundo!
So you're not supposed to head right towards the airport?
No, I'm gonna... You in some sort of rush?
No, I just have always flown right over the intersecting runways for the transition.
There's so many things... Well, I did a YouTube video on the Bradley VFR transition, so I am qualified as an expert right now. 2,000. Alright. Electric fuel pump's going off. Landing lights off. Wingtip lights is off. Fuel pressure looks good. 500 more to go. Nice day over here in Connecticut.
Approach Southwest 2275, 16-4, 11 Imagine and information Yankee.
Southwest 2275, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3027, expect visual approach, runway 6.
We'll expect that, thanks.
Ooh, they're coming right under us.
November 121, contact tower 120.3, good day.
1203 over to tower, thanks approach 121. Bradley Tower, Archer, Tree 121, 2,500.
November 33121, Bradley Tower, Bradley altimeter 3027.
3027, Archer, Tree 121. Sea landing traffic 2.
Oh, you want the ATIS down here most likely, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, duh.
And then we should get Barnes into the all standby comm. Barnes Tower.
November 71, Papa Whiskey,
Did
Bradley
they put you
Tower,
on the other
runway 6
approach?
at
Last
Charlie 3,
last time, nope.
Okay.
Line up and away at runway 6 at Charlie 3, 71 Papa Whiskey.
Okay, and Barnes' Tower is 125.075.
Speed mile 5952, turn right, Charlie 4, contact ground point 9er.
Right at Charlie 4, ground point 9, P-Mod 5952.
A little bouncy here today.
I'll tell you, my flight home from New Jersey was smooth as glass.
Let me open up some wind. Oh yeah.
7,500.
Cool that sweaty palm down. Hey, am I the only one pilot that gets sweaty palms?
What, are you nervous?
I don't know, dude. I didn't ask to be nervous. My palm is nervous. It's the only nervous
You got
part
your
of me.
goon
1 Papa
beside
Whiskey,
you.
wind 060 at 8, turn right heading 075, runway 6 at Charlie 3, clear for takeoff.
075, clear for takeoff, 06, 71 Papa Whiskey.
Westfield Tower, information golf, 1453 Zulu weather. Wind 080 at 10, visibility 10.
November 1, Papa Whiskey, contact departure, good day.
And Bradley Tower, Archer, Tree 121 has golf over at Barnes.
November 33121, roger, thank you.
Does anybody ever inner tube down the Connecticut River?
I don't know.
We should do it to the airport and turn it into like a party.
You
Wouldn't that be fun?
Yeah, you smoking some today.
I'm saying in the summer.
Okay, yeah, we got 13 miles to Barnes. How long is tree tray?
5,000.
5 large.
Yeah, plenty of room.
I got the airport in sight.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, we're doing it. We're going to tube down the river, man. I think that would be a lot of fun.
How do you tube down a river with like a paddle?
No, you just get on an inner tube and float down. It's going to
Oh, float.
Yeah.
I've never done that.
Oh my God, dude, you got to redneck this joint up. You've never been tubing on a body of water?
That doesn't sound like fun.
Are you kidding me?
What if you fall? Nah, no, never mind.
What if you fall off the thing? So you wear a life vest. And as I watch these videos, all I see are these gray hairs on us two old men. Next week we might feature a new product.
November 33121, radar service is terminated. Keep the code. Frequency change approved.
Over to Barnes for the keep the code for Archer 3212. Thank you, Tower.
120.5075. That is their new frequency, by the way.
Westfield Tower, Archer, tree 121, 2,500 with golf, full stop.
Number 33121, Westfield Tower, report a 3-mile final to runway 33.
Report 3-mile final for runway tree for Archer 33121.